Okay, now welcome to everyone. In our today's session, I have copied the question on the board. Today we will discuss under this question. Please look on the question here on the board. Our today's question is this. 30 number C. 30 number C. The cost price of a box and a pen is rupees 120. First of all, let's understand the question. What is asking? Cost price of a box and a pen is rupees 120. This is your CP of box and a pen. Pen is given together rupees 120. First price of the box and a pen together total it is given 120. But here we don't know, we are unknown that what is the cost CP of the box and what is the CP of the pen, we don't know. Separately we have to find it. And a box or pen को दुवैको CP total दिएको छ 120 rupees. तर हामीलाई यो बक्स को कति सीपी हो, यसको कस्ट प्राइस कति हो र यो पेन को कस्ट प्राइस कति हो भन्ने कुरा हामीलाई थाहा छैन, त्यो चाहिँ निकाल्नु पर्ने हुन्छ हामीले है ल. आफ्टर दिस द बक्स इज सोल्ड एट 10% प्रॉफिट. बक्स लाई 10% प्रॉफिट मा बेचिएको रहेछ. बक्स इज सोल्ड एट 10% प्रॉफिट. यसलाई 10% प्रॉफिट हुने तरिकाले यसलाई सेल गरियो. एन्ड द पेन is sold at 10% loss. पेन लाई के गरियो त 10% loss हुने तरिकाले यसलाई के गरियो, सेल गरियो. These factors you have to understand, keep this in your mind. यो कुरा ख्याल गर्ने, दिमागमा राख्नेलाई. यहाँ के भन्दै छ? If the selling price of box is rupees 52 more than that of the pen. यहाँ के भयो भने लास्टमा SP of selling price of box is more than selling price of pen. SP of pen. पेन को SP भन्दा बक्स को SP के छ त धेरै छ, बढी छ. कतिले बढी छ? 52 रुपैयाँ ले बढी छ. This means that we can understand difference between the selling price of the box and the selling price of the pen is equal to 52 भने बुझ्दा पनि हुन्छ हैन र? यही त हो के. SP of the box is rupees 52 more than that of the pen. This is the very important condition. यो हामीलाई एकदम important condition दिएको छ. अहिले यसको काम लाग्छ है. यसैको हेल्पले हामीले यो क्वेशनलाई सल्भ गर्न सक्छौं. SP of the box is greater than SP of the pen by rupees 52 भनेको छ. बक्स को प्राइस कति छ? फर्स्ट प्राइस अनि सेलिङ प्राइस के छ? पेन को सेलिङ प्राइस भन्दा ग्रेटर छ. कतिले बढी छ त भन्दा 52 ले बढी छ. That is we can understand difference of the SP of box and SP of pen is equal to rupees 52 गर्दा हुन्छ. यो अस्ति पनि मैले यसको वे दिएको थिएँ, मैले यसको तरिका भन्दैको थिएँ कसरी बुझ्ने भनेर. Otherwise we can write this SP of box. SP of box is equal to SP of pen. SP of pen जति आउँछ we can add there 52. It is like this, we can add to make it balance, to make it equation गर्न यसरी गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. Selling price of box is equal to selling price of the pen and plus 52 we can do because their box price is 52 more. Box को price के छ त 52 ले बढी छ भनेपछि यसलाई इक्विभ्यालेन्ट अथवा यसलाई ब्यालेन्स गर्नको लागि हामीले के गर्न पर्यो त 52 लाई सेलिङ प्राइसमा सेलिङ प्राइस अफ पेन सँग एड गर्यो भने यसरी गर्न पनि मिल्छ. सेलिङ प्राइस अफ बक्स इज इक्वल टु सेलिङ प्राइस अफ पेन प्लस पेन को कम छ, पेन कोमा 52 प्लस गर्दैपछि यो इक्वल भइहाल्छ. त्यसरी रिलेसन डेभलप गर्न सकिन्छ. Otherwise, you can make the equal also. This like equal also you can do. No, difference is equal to 52 also you can do. Like this also you can do. As always, how do you like to do? You can do it. Okay. So let's do here this question. All of you, this you understood. It is done here for 10% profit in the box. Box को selling price मा 10% profit छ र पेन को selling price मा के छ त 10% loss छ है. त्यही अनुसार हामी काम गर्छौं यसलाई. अनि बक्स को सीपी कति हो, पेन को सीपी कति हो हामीलाई थाहा छैन है. बक्स प्लस पेन गर्दाखेरि टोटल 120 हो. सो वी क्यान कन्सिडर द सीपी अफ एनीवन. आइदर यू क्यान कन्सिडर द सीपी अफ द बक्स और सीपी अफ पेन एट फर्स्ट. यू क्यान कन्सिडर लाइक दिस एनीवन. कुनै एउटाको सपोज गर्न सकिन्छ. वी क्यान कन्सिडर लेट द सीपी अफ द बक्स बी रुपीस एक्स. वी क्यान डु लेट. यसलाई लेट गर्न सकिन्छ. वी क्यान
one box as
yes, one box and one pen. Hey, now cost price of one box is X, so you can suppose, and then cost price of pen it will be total is 120.
120 into X.
You can do
Minus
yes.
X.
Yes. Yesterday also we had discussed about this. हिजो पनि हामीले डिस्कस गरेकै. एउटा बक्सको प्राइसलाई x कन्सिडर गर्यो भने पेनको प्राइस कति भइहाल्छ 120 माइनस x टोटल 120 हो 120 बाट यो बक्सको प्राइसलाई सबट्र्याक्ट गरेपछि के आउँछ प्राइस अफ द पेन पेनको प्राइस के हुन्छ आउँछ जानेकै कुरा हो इफ यु कन्सिडर द प्राइस अफ द CP अफ द पेन x यदि पेनको CP लाई x मान्यो भने बक्सको CP के हुन्छ 120 माइनस x हुन्छ द म्याटर इज सेम however you can do it is same thing right okay so we go to we solve this problem according to this so all of you can see your solution we can consider here there are two things a box and a pen here box plus pen the total price of the box and a pen is equal to rupees 120 given so we can consider box price x then pen price we can write here 120 minus x we can do but don't write x minus 120 sometimes you can do wrong here so this is total price is 120 from this 120 we can subtract the price of the box then remaining price is the first price of the pen we can understand like this so here we can let the first price I write in circle here CP I write let the CP of a box CP of a box be rupees x then CP of pen is rupees 120 minus x like this we can consider CP of a box we can consider x rupees then CP of pen is equal to rupees 120 minus x we can do you know this now there are two things for box we can do separately and for pen we can solve separately so let's do it for box at first now for the box at first we do the work for the box so we can write like this for the box now here CP of the box is rupees x so we have already considered x consider gareka chhau and there is the profit is given 10% profit is done there 10% in the box everybody if CP of box you know profit of the box 10% you know then from here you can find the selling price यसबाट हामीले selling price निकाल्न सक्छौं SP of box is equal to what SP of box is equal to what so now we know that we can apply formula we know that selling price of box SP of box is equal to formula CP plus profit percent of CP this formula you are taught already selling price of box is equal to CP plus profit percent of CP we can do this after CP is equal to rupees x already profit is there 10% of CP is x this is here we can do x plus 10% of x means 10 for 100 multiplied by x this is equal to x plus 0.1 you can press calculator and this you get here rupees 1.1 x this is the selling price of box this way we can consider SP1 and SP1 bhanda huncha so this is SP1 you can write selling price of box you can represent by the SP1 and SP1 bhanera consider garda huncha it's okay it is the 1.1 x do you have any confusion over here
No, sir.
no okay then we can find the selling price of pen similarly यस्तै गरी हामी अब के गर्छौं पेन को selling price हामीले निकाल्छौं again for the pen we can do for the pen there is CP CP of the pen is equal to rupees 120 minus x and there is done loss is equal to their 10% loss हामीसँग 10% छ SP of pen we don't know SP of pen is equal to what so we know that now we know that we can apply formula we know that SP of pen selling price of pen छुट्टै निकाल्ने के SP of pen is equal to CP minus loss percent of CP L percent means loss percent right so this is we can consider SP2 you can write no problem here SP2 लेख्दा हुन्छ selling price of the pen consider SP1 सरी सेलिङ प्राइस अफ द बक्सलाई SP1 लेखियो भने यसको लागि सेकेन्ड SP SP2 लेख्दा हुन्छ, केही फरक पर्दैन। CP is equal to there is 120 minus X minus loss portion is there 10% of कति छ त्यहाँ 120 minus X we can write this like doing simple way एकदम सजिलो छ तरिका हेरेर गर्न के गाह्रो छैन। यहाँनिर यो पहिला सुरुमा चाहिँ कसको एसपी निकाल्ने बक्सको सेलिङ प्राइस निकाल्ने छुट्टै, त्यसैगरी पेनको सेलिङ प्राइस छुट्टै निकाल्ने, त्यसपछि सल्भ गर्न सकिन्छ। सो दिस इज इक्वल टु this is 120 minus X we have here 120 minus X. Don't do mistake in the calculation. Okay, calculation में wrong नगर्ने, calculation में ख्याल गर्ने। This is 10% means we can write 10 directly. I write here 10 for 100 multiplied by 120 minus X. So we can do this implies 120 minus X minus 10 by 100 is 0.1. You can press calculator. Into 120 minus X. This is equal to 120 minus X. We can open the bracket also, no problem. Minus 0.1 into 120. How many comes? 0.1 into 120 गर्दा कति आउँछ? 12 comes, isn't it? And this is minus into minus plus. 0.1 into 123 multiply then 12 comes. You can press calculator. And a minus into minus plus becomes 0.1 into X, 0.1 X. Okay. This after like terms you can add and you can subtract it. So here you have seen 120 minus 12, then how many comes? 108 comes here. 108 and here minus X plus 0.1. Here is minus X plus 0.1 X means what? It is in minus, it is in plus. Plus minus, you can subtract 0.1 minus 1. How many comes here? 0.9x. And here this is 1. This is greater, so we have to write minus sign. So here it comes minus 0.9x. Now this is the selling price of the pen, SP of the pen we got here 108 minus 0.9x. If you do have confusion, then tell me, okay? Confusion छ भने भनिहाल्ने CP is equal to 120 minus X. Loss percent 10% of this we do. Then 10% is 10 by 100. This like we can do this as it is putting 10 by 100 is equal to 0.1. You can press calculator. Like calculator press गर्दा हुन्छ 10 by 100 equals 0.1. 0.1 into 120 minus X. So 0.1 into 120 you can press calculator. 12 comes here. Minus multiply minus here plus comes here. Then 0.1 into X 0.1 X. Lastly, you can calculate it here. 120 minus 12. 120 minus 12. 120 minus 12 is here 1. And this minus X plus 0.1 X. Here is minus X, your minus marks, your plus marks, plus minus you subtract it. Subtract you 1 here plus marks here minus X plus 0.1. So this is it is 1 plus 1. It is 1 here. 1 minus minus plus the 1 minus 0.1 0.9 and it is 1 is greater than 0.1 0.1 1 greater or minus sign we can write 0.9x minus 0.9x. So this is the selling price of the box. No, sorry, this is selling price of the pen. केही गाह्रो छैन हैन हेर्न सजिलो छ। यसमा पहिला सुरुमा हामीले यसको बक्सको सेलिङ प्राइस निकाल्छौं, त्यस्तै गरेर चाहिँ कसको निकाल्छौं पेनको सेलिङ प्राइस एसपी निकाल्छौं। अब लास्टमा हामी we can go to according to the question. Last one we question answer garchau according to the question. According to the question. According to the question. According to the question. According to the question, what is saying? Look here. Lastly, we have given one condition. हामीले condition दिएको छ last time हेर्दा के भन्दै छ? दुईटैको selling price निकालिसक्यौ। पेन बक्स को selling price पनि आयो, पेन को selling price पनि आयो। अब हामी के गर्छौं? If the selling price of box is 52 rupees more than that of the pen, pen को selling price भन्दा यो box को selling price कतिले बढी छ? 52 ले बढी छ। That means if it says more or less something it says, then that means difference. Yesterday also we discussed about this. This means we can understand that selling price, difference of selling price of the box and selling price of the pen is equal to 52. We can add SP1 minus SP2 is equal to 52 rupees we can this like also we can यसरी गर्दा पनि हुन्छ है यसरी गर्दा पनि हुन्छ हेर त यो भनेको if the selling price of a box is rupees 52 more than that of the pen भनेको box को selling price pen को selling price भन्दा कतिले बढी छ 52 ले बढी छ त्यो भन्नुको अर्थ के हो त box र pen को selling price को difference कति हुन्छ 52 हुन्छ that is box minus SP of the box minus SP of the pen is equal to 52 we can do this like it SP of the box already we have and SP of the pen already we have difference is equal to 52 this like also what we can do you open a way next way if you like to make the equation in another way according to the question then you can write this like also SP of the box SP of box is equal to the SP of pen plus then you can do add 52 that 52 add गर्न सक्छौ यहाँ सुन है कुरा बुझ्ने SP of box is equal to SP of pen plus 52 why you doing this किन यस्तो गरेको किनभने
because it's more than
त्यही त ब्यालेन्स गर्न पर्छ है we have to balance यसलाई ब्यालेन्स गर्ने हो कि केही हैन अरु जसरी गरे पनि यसलाई ब्यालेन्स गर्ने हो SP of box is equal to SP of pen plus 52 यो बक्स को प्राइस त अटोमेटिकली पहिला 52 ले बढी छ यहाँ प्राइस कम भएको कति हो एसपी कसको कम छ पेन को कम छ पेन कोमा 52 लाई एड गर्दियो भने यो के हुन्छ ब्यालेन्स भइहाल्छ हैन यु नो दिस भेरी वेल so yesterday also we discuss it so like this you can do यसरी गर्दा पनि हुन्छ डिफरेन्स इक्वल 52 गर्दा पनि हुन्छ यहाँ मोर लेस भन्ने कुराहरु आयो भने त्यस्तो स्टेटमेन्ट आयो भने डिफरेन्स इक्वल 52 गरेर गर्दा पनि हुन्छ है so you can do like sp1 minus sp2 कसको बढी छ बक्स को बढी छ पेन को कम छ so we can subtract from box to pen box को बाट पेन को sp घटाएपछि इक्वल टु 52 हुन्छ ल so now you can put that sp1 is how many 1.1x already you have found here x 1.1x minus sp of box sp2 means sp of the sorry sp2 means sp of the pen 108 minus 0.9x 108 minus 0.9x this is equal to 52 here you can put bracket because there is sign minus sign so it will change there later on so we can keep bracket over here this is equal to 1.1x minus 108 we can put here as it is and we can operate this bracket we can open this bracket minus into minus this becomes plus and 0.9x 0.9x 52 you can do 1.1x plus 0.9 you can add then this comes 2x everyone you can see 1.1x it is in plus here 0.9x it is in plus we can add 1.1x plus 0.9x 2x we get minus 108 is equal to 52 or 2x is equal to 52 minus 108 we can carry to the right side then this goes in the plus 108 or x is equal to directly we can do 52 plus 108 how many 160 and this 2 it is in multiply here goes in divide here in right side that is equal to 80 rupees therefore question is asking cp x means what x means here x means cp of the box therefore cp of box is equal to rupees 80 box to cp kati ayo 80 ayo and cp of pen is equal to rupees how many 120 minus x we had so 120 minus x we can put value 120 is equal to same as it is minus 80 this comes here 40 so this is the cp of the box is 80 rupees and the cp of the pen is rupees 40 box को cp 80 rupees रहेछ त्यसपछि पेन को cp कति रहेछ 40 rupees रहेछ यसरी हामीले यसलाई सल्भ गर्न सकिन्छ अझै अगाडि बढ्नु छ हामी यति मात्र हैन बल्ल cp निकाल्यौ हामीले अब के गर्ने फेरि हेर्नु चाहिँ क्याल्कुलेट द लस अर प्रॉफिट पर्सेंट इन होल भन्छ टोटलमा उलाई प्रॉफिट भयो कि लस भयो भने निकाल भन्छ
टोटलमा सर
टोटलमा सबै दुईटै गरेर टोटलमा उले प्रॉफिट भयो कि लस भयो भनेको छ टोटलमा प्रॉफिट लस फाइन्ड आउट गर्न के गर्न पर्यो टोटल एसपी फाइन्ड गर्न पर्यो टोटल सीपी फाइन्ड गर्न पर्यो टोटल सीपी इज अलरेडी 120 टोटल सीपी त 120 छँदै छ त्यसको टोटल कति हो त्यो निकाल्न पर्यो है टोटल सेलिङ प्राइस वी हैव टु फाइन्ड अगेन अझै गर्नु पर्ने छ हामीसँग अब हामीले यसपछि टोटल के निकाल्न पर्यो टोटल एसपी निकाल्नु टोटल सीपी इज 120 थाहा भएकै कुरा हो अब हामीले टोटल एसपी निकालौं पेन र बक्स को एसपी निकालौं इफ यू फाइन्ड द टोटल एसपी अफ द बक्स एन्ड पेन then we can determine there either there is profit or loss. The profit छ कि loss छ भन्ने कुरा we can determine it very easily. So after this, I wrote this here, I erase this. You can see. Okay. Now total CP is equal to 120 already you have. Total selling price we have to find. Total selling price equal to SP1 plus SP2. SP1 र SP2 लाई दुईटाले जोड्यो भने के आउँछ? Total selling price आउँछ. Again we can write here again. After this, okay. Total SP of pen and box. Total SP of box and pen is equal to SP1 plus SP2. Both you can add. Total selling. हामीलाई total मा whole मा profit भयो कि loss भयो भने find गर्नको लागि त हामीले के गर्न पर्यो? Total CP find out गर्न पर्यो. Total SP. Total CP त छँदै छ 120 छँदै छ दुईटैको total CP यति हो. अब total SP निकाल्नु पर्यो. Total SP of box and pen equal to SP1 plus SP2. SP1 means SP of the box. SP2 means SP of the pen. So this add here. SP1 is equal to how many? 1.1 extra plus SP2 is equal to here 108. 108 minus 108 minus how many? 0.9 extra. Now I wrote this, okay, मैले मेटाएँ यहाँनिर. मैले erase गरेँ यहाँ अस्ति त्यति मतलब बुझिसकेको छौ. Okay, then this is equal to 1 and this value you can put no problem. 1.1 multiplied by x value you can put there. X value already you have found there 80. So 80 you can put here plus 108 is already as it is here minus 0.9 into 80 you can put here value. Value put गर्दै भइहाल्यो नि x value यहाँ छ नि 80 you have found already.
Juga sir.
Yes.
36 sir.
Yes. Total how many comes? 80 into 1.1 how many? 8.8, right? How many comes? 108 minus. All of you please press calculator. 0.9.
Total 124 sir.
Total 124. Yes, calculate yourself. This comes rupees 124. Everybody, it is profit or loss in total whole.
Whole profit sir.
Yes, profit. Very good. Yeah, because CP 120. CP of the both box and pen is 120. CP of the SP of the box and pen is 124. And see, box and pen दुबईको first price 120 मा किनेर box र pen दुबईले 124 मा बेचेको हैछ भने त profit भयो नि त, because SP is greater than CP, therefore profit. Profit भयो भने profit percent निकाल्नु, loss भयो भने loss percent निकाल्नु भने so we can find profit percent now. Therefore profit amount is SP minus CP. The total SP is rupees 124 minus total CP is 120. This is here you get rupees 4 profit. Therefore profit percent is equal to profit percent is equal to profit amount upon CP multiplied by 100. You can write here formula. The profit is rupees 4 upon CP. CP means CP of box and a pen total. CP of the box and a pen is 120 rupees. So 120 multiplied by 100. This percent, this implies that 0 we can cut. 4 3s are 12. Here 3 divided by 3.33. Otherwise 3 whole 1/3% also you can add this like this is the answer like this. You can put in the point also decimal. 10 divided by 3, 3.33% comes. That means 3 whole 1/3 also we can add. This is the answer. So as in the whole, he got 3 whole 1/3% profit. Total ma ulai ke bhayo ta profit bhayokai cha 3.33% profit bhayo. यसरी किन यसलाई solve गर्न सकिन्छ.
Sir,
स्टेप स्टेपमा सर त्यो यसको त ठाउँमा मार्क्स दिनु जस्तै छ. एक ठाउँमा 1 मार्क्स, एक ठाउँमा 1 मार्क्स भन्दै.
9+1 राख्न सक्नु सर.
What you said? के भन्यो रे? के भन्यो?
सर त्यो उचन 3 होल 1/3 छ नि. 9 बनाएर हैन त्यो उगा राख्न सकिन्न.
You can put in point also 10/3. 10/3 means 3.33%. राख्न सकियो. You can put.
सर यसको के हैन
Yes.
सबै होलमा गर्दा 1 मार्क्स जस्तै हुन्छ नि 6 मार्क्स 4 मार्क्स को लङ क्वेशन भनेपछि 1 मार्क्स दिन्छ
This type of question in grade 9, it is very probable to ask the 5 marks question. In group D, 5 marks question ask this type. This is most creative question. Hey, your question दियो भने तिमीलाई 5 marks question मा दिन्छ examination मा. So you have to practice according to that. Did you understand?
यस सर
ल. Okay. So in this way we can. Nothing have to do. केही गर्नुपर्ने छैन. पहिला सुरुमा दुईटाको CPA आइडेन्टिफाई गर्ने, दुईटाको छुट्टा छुट्टै सेलिङ प्राइस निकाल्ने, दुईटाको सेपरेटली सेलिङ प्राइस निकाल्ने. त्यसपछि गएर लास्टमा यो क्वेशनले के भनेको छ, डिफरेन्स बिट्विन द सेलिङ प्राइस अफ द बक्स एन्ड द पेन इज 52 यो बाट गर्ने. यसरी गर्दै गएपछि एक्स आउँछ, एक्स आएपछि CP निकाल्छौ, CP निकालेपछि लास्टमा प्रोफिट निकाल्नलाई total SP we have to find, total SP of the box and a pen equal to SP1 plus SP2 we have to add. This comes, we have to profit, either it is profit or not. We have to determine from here. हामीले determine गर्ने profit भयो कि loss भयो भनेर त्यसपछि अगाडि बढ्दा सजिलो छ, यसरी गर्न सकिन्छ. Okay, so in this way you can do. Anybody have to ask anything here?
सर बिनामा गरिदिनु न हिजोको 13B को त्यो सेकेन्ड स्टेपको प्रोसेस.
13B, what is the question? Let's see.
13B को प्रोसेस क्वेशन
I think 13B also like a similar question. Let's see. Look
40
it.
seconds left.
Okay, 13B, look it here once. Here Rajesh Das bought 2 calculators for 1,000. He sold one of them at 20% profit and other at 20%. Similar question it is. The selling price of the both calculators are same. So finally, your condition you have to apply. SP of the both calculators are same. This means that SP of calculator, SP of first calculator is equal to SP of second calculator. This is the condition. AO condition. Same work, whatever we did here in this question, same like you can do. But lastly, you can apply that selling price of the both calculators are same. That means SP1 is equal to SP2 you can do. Then from there you can get the solution. You try once, okay?